Okay, y'all. It's time to degen a little bit. 09 double packs came in at Target, so I just bought a display's worth. Yeah, I have 6 or 7, what's his name? Blackbeard Don, so I need at least 3. In terms of buggy, don't really care. I only have 3, but I'm not looking for a full play set. I don't even know why I need sets. But yeah, here we go. A whole display. Let's just keep it here. Don't really need, but we're bored. I haven't had a lot of luck in 09 aside from that one manga that I pulled that I didn't know I pulled from a random blister that some guy gave me from Barnes and Nobles. Didn't even record it. Noticed it later that night when I was taking all the stuff out. But here we are. That one I sold right away just because you gotta make your money back, right? It was nice having it. It's nice having it. How do you open these things? What's the clean way? Alright, this is gonna be messy. Gonna be a lot of trash, a lot of cardboard. That's what we're here for, right? It's been a while since I did an unboxing video or opening video too, so good luck to us. Let's put this back in here nicely. Switch that up. Recycle all that. First double pack. Let's see here. Let's adjust the camera a little bit. Lower. So you don't want to see the tripod. There you go. Magic. All right, 2 packs done. We need at least 3 to 4. Now 2 to 3. Blackbeard Dons. There's the first one. Handy trash can ready for all the garbage. First pack. Couple R's. Nothing crazy. Playable. Stampable. Alright. I've been making pins out of these bulk cards too, so anything with like a good centering of circles. Been making like little pins for. Like this is like from Union Arena. May as well recycle our bulk, right? And the rest gets recycled. Alright, next pack. Hope we hit at least one AA. Couple R's. Couple R's. Stay here. Let's see. Can we pin out of that? Pin out of that. Pin out of that. Pin out of that. Alright. Next pack. Next pack magic. PCG's player's been pretty busy recently. I like it. It's definitely getting some money back from all the money we spend on these cards, so that's nice. Feel free to take a look. It's mostly, I think it's great for players. I don't have a lot of high-end rare stuff, but I have playsets of almost everything you need. So stop on by. Links somewhere in the bio in my link tree. In the description below. Got a buggy. Oh yeah, I saw someone make pins from these. So maybe I should try it. We'll see. Keep them nice and clean. Alright, next pack. Caramel. Gamble. Just a couple R's. Full lead. Label. Stamp. SR. SRs are good. Burgess is good. Playable. Doesn't seem to work. What are we doing? Next box. Next box. We don't expect hits, but we like hits. Need a collection of Dawn. A collection of Dawn. Cycle all that. Oh yeah. I was like up there. Get down. Get down. Buggy. Not Blackbeard. Not Woolwide. Ooh. Get out of that. Mihawk. Can't really make a pin out of that. Can with these. Not. Won't. And mess up. Couple R's. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Table, boom. Next box. Anyone going to Dallas? I wish I can, but it's not in the budget. Try to get into local, or not locals, regionals in Pasadena. Waitlisted because they're only doing half the number of entries, so it was a lot tougher to get into than the past. Hopefully we hear something soon. Hopefully people drop. It was a wait. Like literally did the whole 30 seconds before. Pretty much, yeah. Had a refresh. Saw some new errors that I've never seen. But yeah, it was tough. Was tough. Oh, crocodile. At least we're getting SRs. At least we're getting SRs. Another SR. Bunch of SRs. Pocket ugly. Clean that up. Oh, man, we're already halfway there. I'm not feeling good, guys. That is not feeling good. Oh my god. Making a mess. Come on, Blackbeard. Oh my god. It's the buggy curse. Buggy curse. Cursed by Buggy. Couple R's. Darn it. I don't like it. I don't like it. More R's. Three more, aka 6 more packs. You better all have our boy Blackbeard in there. Oh, wait, oops. Come on. Come on. Blackbeard, nice. We want to see another SR from. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. I'll take him. Come on. Let's low roll this one. Two more. Oh, Blackbeard, baby. Yes. 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 still got a chance. Got 3 more packs left. Just 3 more packs. Maybe it's last box magic. And we get double hits. Double hits at least. Okay. Let's hope we get something good here. Come on. Alright, let's do this. Lucky, you son of a gun. I thought I had good odds. Come on. This didn't get any done. Oh my god. Alright. Please. I spoiled it. It's nothing crazy. Spoiled it. Boo. Well, thanks anyways, guys. Check out my TCG player, please. Links in the bio. I need help.